Hello everybody, we have successfully created the auth API in the backend. Now it is time to create the pages like sign up, login, and profile. Let's create the sign up page first. So go to your client, go to pages, create a new file, and give it a name signup.view. And type template, and then script. Let's create the HTML. Now div class register page, and then div class container, div class row, div class column sm4. Copy this, paste it here, and inside here you want to type div class text center, and then a href tag, which will be the Amazon logo black.png. Okay, and then down here you want to type div class empty4 to give some spaces top to top, and then div class a box, and then a spacing extra large, and then div class a box inner, and here will be h1 class a spacing small, create account, and we're gonna change this to form, not div, so this will be form. Okay, and now will be the label, so div class a row a spacing base, and here will be label for ap underscore customer name, class a form label, and then your name, and then an input field which should be type text, and then there will be an ID which should be ap underscore customer underscore name, and then there will be a class which would be a lot of classes in here, so we're just gonna add input text, and then form, supposed to be inside form control, and then off autofocus, and then off required field, and off contact verification request info. So make sure you got it right and save this. So it has to be info, not info. And we're just gonna write a note here that will say your name. So this entire div. So we want to copy this and paste it another one and change this to email. And this will be email. Type will be email as well. And then last but not least is copy it again, paste it here, and this will be our password. This will be password. And we can simply add an alert down here, which will be div class a alert container, and here will be div class a alert container, not contain, and then password, you can hide it later on, must be at least 6 characters. And then below this password, make sure you have below this password, this div, you want to type div class a row a spacing extra large. This will be our button. After this, span class a button primary, and then span, another span will be a button inner, and then will be span class a button text. Create your Amazon account. Let's look legit. So this would be our button. Okay, and then right below the span you want to type div class a row a spacing top medium, and a size small, and then bold by creating an account oops, it's supposed to be this. By creating an account, you agree to Amazon. Then you want to type href. Copy this, paste it here. Conditions of use, and put here privacy notice. Then after this button, you want to type hr, and then div class a row, and then b already have an account, and then a href tag, or we can just put Nux link, which will be to our login page. Change this to Nux link, and sign in. And after that, we add a class here, which will be a link emphasis. Save this, and let's go back to our Chrome, and let's change this to sign up. And there we have it. It looks really amazing, but we want to remove this navbar and footer. So let's go back to our editor and go to layout and create a new layout and call none.view, and it's going to be something like this. Copy it, paste it here, except we want to remove this component, and then we want to remove navbar and footer. And in order for us to inherit this none.view layout, which is to go to signup.view and type layout none. It should be the name of the file. By default, it will use this default.view, but let's say if you want to use a different layout, then we can type layout none. Save this. Let's go back, and there we have it. It looks really nice. It looks exactly the same like the Amazon one. I think we have finished. In the next video, we will add the Axios call to sign up the user.